These are the best drones for cycling, and they both fit in my pockets. Do you remember some 2-3 years ago when all the drones were big and heavy and bulky and you really needed to bring a backpack with you in order to carry them and film? Those times are over. Now we have this kind of really small drones that you can carry in your back pockets, and they fly automated and you don't even need a remote control and you can take them on all your rides. Well, this video is about them. This is the HOVERAir X1 and this is the newer HOVERAir X1 Pro. There are two others available on the market, the ProMax, also from HOVERAir, and the DJI Neo. I decided to buy the HOVERAir X1 Pro because it has some specific features that are very useful to us cyclists. Don't get me wrong, the X1 older version is still really good, but this one has some major advantages. The Pro version is a little bit bigger if you compare it. However, it still fits in my back pocket. If I compare it with the DJI Neo, what I like about the Pro and the Pro Max is that they fold. So when you don't use it, it doesn't require that much space to store. The older version of the X1 has 2.7K resolution, the Pro has 4K resolution, while the Pro Max has 8K resolution. Also, the DJI Neo has 4K resolution. Enough talking, let's fly them. Okay, let's stop and test this thing on a descent to see how fast it can go. I'm keeping it in a plastic Ziploc bag for two reasons. One is to protect it from sweat. It is not waterproof, so keeping this in mind. The second is not to damage the gimbal. You see, it doesn't have any protection. So I think it's better to protect it like this. It doesn't take space, it's not heavy, so this is the best solution. I press start and hopefully it will follow me.
Follow.
Let's test also the speed. I will go pretty fast. I still hear the drone behind me, so I know it's following me. I still hear it. It's behind me. I'm going like 30 per hour, I think. Pretty fast. The other Hover, the old version, would never follow me at this speed. I'm pretty sure of it. That was amazing, guys. battery was really low. Luckily I have a spare battery with me. It is really easy to change it. I just take it out and then place the new one, and it's ready to fly. They say this is the most haunted forest in the world. It is called Hoya. Trees have very unusual shapes. Ghosts wander during the night, and they say electronics don't work. But I'm here to test my new drone, the HOVERAir X1 Pro. Let's see if it works.